Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2022 Honda HR-V? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. This panel houses various fuses and relays that protect and control essential electrical components of the vehicle. Inside the fuse or relay box cover, you'll find a label detailing the fuse and relay names along with their respective ratings. Engine compartment fuse box type B. The engine compartment fuse box type B distributes and protects electrical power to key engine and vehicle systems using fuses and relays. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box protects and manages key electrical functions inside the vehicle. It controls systems like headlights, wipers, power sockets, the horn, and climate controls. Each fuse serves as a safeguard, cutting power when a fault occurs to prevent damage or electrical hazards. Interior fuse box B. The interior fuse box B protects and controls power to additional interior features such as seat heaters, infotainment systems, or auxiliary power outlets, ensuring safe and efficient operation.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Conditions: low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.